Hello guys, let's consider this question. See, this is a circle geometry. Let's see how we can solve this. You know hard. I'll give you the 411. So we are told in the diagram that J, K, L is a tangent to the circle G, H, I, and K. That's the circle. Okay, now we are told at K. Okay, at K, yes, it is this K. Now we're told angle LKG is 38. That is, we're talking about angle K, remember? Okay, it's 38. Then angle HIK is 87. And that we're talking about I, which is 87. Now we're told to calculate the value of the angle marked S. Let's see how we can solve this. Easy. So first of all, the solution here. Now, let's recall back to the theorems, some of the theorems. Remember that now, if we are to cover this angle, this triangle now, this triangle as if you are to cover this triangle, and we notice that we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is a what? A quadrilateral. And one of these theorems of circle states that opposite angles of a quadrilateral sums up to what? 180 degrees. So here we are having here to be 87 degrees plus, let's call here x. Okay, we already have x here, so let's call here y. So 87 plus y equals to 180 degrees. 87 plus y, so therefore we have y equals to 180 degrees, sorry, minus 87 degrees, giving us 93 degrees. So that means we'll subtract this, we have 90. That means y here is what? 93. So now when we have y as 93 now, so what's our reason? We'll state our reasons are this and this. The reasons is what? Opposite angles of a cyclic what? Quadrilateral. That is it. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. That's our reason. Because if you are dealing with circle theory, anything you do there, you have to state the reason why it's being done. So, and that's how we got this 93. So now if you look at this place now, this is on a straight line. This is y, and there's another angle here. You understand? So this is on a what? On a straight line. If you notice that G, H, G, L, this line now is on a straight line. So that means for us to get this angle now, let's say now this angle, we'll mark this angle. Let's call this angle C. Let's call this angle C. So we've gotten our y here. For us to get our C, remember the major aim here, we are to get x. But we cannot get x straight. We have to get all these mini angles now for us to get the value we're looking for here. So for us to get C now, we say that C is equals to, C will give us 180. C will give us 180 degrees minus y. What's the reason? 180 degrees minus y. That is angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. On a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a what? On a straight line. That's the reason for this. So C will give us 180 degrees minus y. What's the value for y? We got y as what? 93. So y will give us 93. So we'll subtract this. We're having 180 minus 93, which will give us 87. We have 87 degrees. So, and that is our reason. Now, we've gotten C as what? 87. Now, let's talk about the main angles now to get our x. Now, this is not a triangle. So that means for us to get our x, here we say that x will give us 180 degrees minus bracket 38 degrees plus C. That is it. So we have here to be 180. We're going to have here to be 180 degrees minus bracket 37 degrees plus. What's the value of C? We got the value of C here to be what? 87. So if you expand this now, we're going to have here to be 180. This will lead us to be 180 minus 37 plus 87. 38, sorry, plus 87. We have 180 degrees there, sorry. Minus 38 plus 87 will give us 125. So we now have here x will give us now. What's our reason here? Sorry, I forgot to write the reason. What's our reason here is angle, sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. That's the reason why we subtract from 180. So 180 degrees minus 125 degrees here will give us what? 55 degrees. And this is how to get it. Now that means the answer here is what? Is B. See you in the next video.